Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Speaks, the place where learning English becomes simple, natural, and fun. I'm Adam, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Sarah. Hello to all our amazing English learners around the world. We're excited to bring you another helpful and super enjoyable conversation practice. If you're new here, welcome to the family. And if you've been with us for a while, thank you for your love and support.
Today we have something that everyone on the planet loves talking about: vacations. We'll be practicing English for daily life using simple, natural phrases that beginners can understand, but also useful enough for everyday conversations.
And of course, if you enjoy this episode, make sure to subscribe to Mr. English Speaks, tap the like button, and share this lesson with someone who wants to improve their English. Your support helps our channel grow and helps more learners just like you.
All right, Sarah, are you ready to dive into today's topic?
Absolutely, Adam. Let's talk about our last vacations. I love sharing travel stories. It makes you feel like you're reliving the moment all over again.
Same here. Okay, I'll start. My last vacation was honestly one of the most refreshing breaks I've ever had. I went to a beautiful island called Koh Samui in Thailand. Crystal clear water, soft white sand, palm trees everywhere. It felt like stepping into a postcard.
Oh, wow. That sounds like paradise, Adam. I can already imagine the warm sun and the peaceful ocean waves. My last vacation was completely different, but also amazing. I went to Vancouver, Canada. Cold weather, mountains, forests, and cozy little cafes everywhere. Very calm and very beautiful in its own way.
I love that. Warm tropical island versus cool, scenic, forest-filled city. Two totally different vibes, but both perfect in their own style.
Exactly. And you know what I love about talking about vacations? It helps people practice the past tense in a very natural way. When we talk about trips, we say things like, I went, I traveled, I visited, I stayed, I ate. These are super common in daily English.
Totally true, Sarah. Speaking of past tense, let me tell you exactly what happened on my trip. So, I flew to Koh Samui early in the morning. And honestly, the first moment I stepped off the plane, I felt the warm, tropical air hit my face. It smelled like the ocean and flowers. It immediately relaxed me.
That sounds so dreamy. Vancouver was different for me. I arrived late in the afternoon. It was cold, cloudy, and just starting to drizzle a little. But the fresh, cool air felt really refreshing after leaving the busy city life behind. I love places where the air feels clean.
I get that. Vancouver has that calm, peaceful energy. Koh Samui was warm, bright, and full of color. But it was also relaxing in a tropical way. When I arrived at my hotel, they gave me a welcome drink, fresh coconut water. I sat by the pool, listened to gentle music, and felt like all my stress disappeared instantly.
Oh, coconut water in Thailand hits different. My hotel in Vancouver was this small boutique place near the harbor, wooden floors, big windows, and a view of the mountains. Every morning, I woke up to the sight of low clouds floating around the peaks. It was like watching a painting come to life.
That sounds magical. So, who did you travel with?
Sarah. I went with my best friend, Mia. We've been wanting to take a trip together for years, and we finally made it happen. Traveling with your best friend is the best. You laugh a lot, eat a lot, and make unforgettable memories. How about you, Adam? Did you go alone?
Nope, I went with my cousin Daniel. He's like a brother to me. We always plan small adventures, and this time we said, let's go somewhere totally relaxing. And Koh Samui was perfect for that.
I love that. Vacations with cousins feel like mini childhood reunions.
So true. Now let me tell you about the first thing we actually did there. After checking in, we went straight to the beach. The water was warm, almost like a bathtub, and the sand was so soft it felt like walking on flour. We swam for hours, then sat on beach chairs sipping fresh pineapple smoothies.
That's beautiful. Vancouver was colder, so I didn't swim, obviously. But on the first morning, Mia and I went to Stanley Park. It's huge, full of trees, lakes, and wildlife. We walked for about 2 hours just enjoying nature. And guess what? We saw a raccoon walking near the lake. It was so cute.
Raccoons are adorable, but they always look like they're planning something suspicious.
Exactly. Like they're up to no good but still cute.
So what about food? For me, oh my God, Thai food in Thailand tastes completely different from Thai food anywhere else.
I believe it.
I tried real pad Thai, mango sticky rice, coconut ice cream, fresh seafood. It was heaven. One night, we ate dinner at a restaurant right on the beach. Our table was literally on the sand, with lanterns all around. And as we ate, fire dancers performed in front of us. It felt like a movie scene.
That sounds so romantic and magical, even though you were with your cousin.
Haha, true. Still magical, though.
For me, the food in Vancouver was all about comfort: hot soups, fresh pastries, warm bread, and amazing coffee. On one rainy day, Mia and I found this tiny cafe hidden inside an alley. It had soft music, warm lights, and the best hot chocolate I've ever tasted. Rain outside, warm drink inside. It was perfect.
I love cozy cafe moments. They feel like a hug.
Exactly.
Let me tell you something funny that happened to me. So one day, Daniel and I rented scooters to explore the island. But guess who forgot sunscreen? Yep, me. After 3 hours of riding under the sun, I looked like a tomato wearing sunglasses. Everyone kept staring at me.
Oh no, sunburn is the worst. Did it hurt?
Like crazy. I looked like I was slowly melting, but we still laughed about it the whole time.
That's hilarious. Something funny happened to me too. So Mia and I took a gondola up to Grouse Mountain. Beautiful view, everything perfect. But when we got to the top, a squirrel ran straight toward Mia because she had a snack in her hand. She freaked out and started running, while the squirrel chased her. I couldn't stop laughing.
A squirrel chase sounds adorable and chaotic.
It really was.
So after all these experiences, would you go again?
Absolutely. Vancouver is one of those places you can visit in every season and always find something new. I want to go back in summer for hiking and maybe in winter to see snow. And I would definitely go to Koh Samui again. The peaceful atmosphere, the warm water, the food, the views, everything was perfect. I think next time, I'll stay longer and explore more islands nearby. You know, Adam, I think vacations teach us a lot about life. They remind us to slow down, to enjoy the moment, to appreciate nature, and to spend time with people we love.
So true, Sarah. And talking about vacations in English helps learners practice real-life communication. It's something everyone can relate to.
Exactly. And our listeners at Mr. English Speaks, we hope this conversation helps you learn natural expressions to talk about your own trips.
And we'd love to hear about your last vacation. Tell us where you went and what your favorite part was. Your comments make our day.
Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us bring more useful English conversations every single week.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. You're improving your English and becoming more confident every single day. And we're happy to be a part of your journey.
We'll be back soon with another fun and useful English conversation. Until then, take care, stay happy, and keep practicing.
This is Adam
And Sarah from Mr. English Speaks. Bye for now.